Good morning and welcome to week 11. This is going to start our last unit of the semester and we're going to focus mostly on the modern era. This is where things are going to start to get a little weird. The music of Schoenberg and Berg is strange. The existentialists have existential ideas, the surrealists, the cubists, they're all going to show us things that are kind of stray from what we tend to think of as more traditional music or more traditional philosophies or more traditional artwork. The Bauhaus of the architecture genre is going to be different from things that we've looked at so far. And so as we go through this last unit, the one where people usually write, "This was strange," I want you to think about what is influencing and inspiring this and what foundational ideas these artists, architects, musicians, writers, philosophers, what are they taking from what came before them? This is going to really help you out as you do your final evolution of your theme. So while it's weird, it's not out of the blue. It's being influenced by something and it's taking those foundational materials from previous genres and previous periods. So be thinking about that as you enter this last unit. Otherwise, everything is going to be the same from the last the last two units. You're going to do your weekly questions every week and you are going to do your artifact analyses. We're coming up on the last couple. Time's going to move a little quicker and things are going to be a lot more in depth. Things move fast in this last century. So be thinking about what might be the most ideal artifacts to be using and connecting to your theme so that in week 16 you can do your final paper or video presentation on your evolution. So I hope you have a great week. It's kind of a cloudy Monday morning, but hopefully the sun comes out. Hopefully you had a chance to enjoy the beautiful weather this last weekend and have a wonderful week.